All right, Keith, putting you to work this week.
Yeah. Although, there are a couple of small joys in a weatherman's life, and one of them is basically making a map and just not really having to do anything.
It sticks.
Oh,
Yeah, it's oddly satisfying. So hopefully now all that has to happen is it has to be right, which is
Well, that'll be the test by
a
Friday.
small detail in all of this. But I think we're in good shape. The storm's coming in now. And as I was pointing out before, it's really this dark blue that you can see out towards Springfield, Massachusetts, Worcester. That's where it's actually snowing. The stuff ahead of it is too light. It's not hitting the ground. Widen the picture out. Heck of a warm front here. Stretches all the way back into Chicago. And not to add injury to insult here if you don't like winter weather, but south of this front is record warm. Atlanta hit its warmest temperature on record in the winter, and DC tomorrow has a chance at 80. That's wild, 80 in February in DC. Meanwhile, in the Great White North, temperatures in the 30s right now, 20s, teens. See how it's creeping down here, Greenville, Rangeley? That colder air will sink down and meet up with our precipitation, and that's why we're going to get largely snow out of this storm. So it comes in here tonight. This is 10 o'clock, and by midnight, it's across the southern third or so of the state. And it's really snowing pretty hard here in the early morning hours, especially 2, 3, 4, probably 5 in the morning. It's when it's putting down the most accumulation over southern Maine back into New Hampshire. You can see a little sleet trying to work its way in by tomorrow morning. I don't think this is going to be a huge factor for us. I think down towards Kittery and Portsmouth, they'll see sleet, and it's a factor. A few sleet pings here and there over York County wouldn't shock me. I don't think it's going to be a problem for us, though, as far as accumulation goes. So tomorrow morning's commute, first half, looks pretty dicey. Later in the commute, or maybe it's not a normal commute, it's when I'm commuting to work, but 9:30, at that point it starts to lighten up a little, and by the middle of the day we've gotten a break here, just snow showers and very light snow continuing through the middle of the day, probably totally stops during the afternoon, and then our second round moves in tomorrow night. Now this by itself, to be clear, would not be a big deal at all. This is a 2 to 4 inch system, but it's right behind that other one. So here's 2 to 4 more inches overnight Thursday into early Friday. We should be able to get this out of here by mid-morning Friday at the latest. And then after that, temperatures fall, and that becomes the story at that point. So again, I think this map is good. Jason added the word sleet, fine. I think there will be some of that down across southern York County, and then 4 to 8 into Bangor, and up across far northern Maine. There's not a whole lot of snow to be had. Cold Saturday morning. We'll do it again on Sunday morning, by the way. 0 to below 0 in a lot of spots. And guys, I don't usually use 2 days to say one thing, but look at Tuesday into Wednesday. Could be big. A lot of weenie chatter about this storm already. European model dropped a huge storm on Tuesday, and then the GFS just did it, just came in, did the same thing. I don't know if it's ours to have or it's Boston's to have, but there's some large storm system out there mid next week. So we are cranking now.
This is late for you to drop a snowfall map on that.
It's, oh yeah, I know I should probably do it now.
Yeah,
Thank
project
you,
for
Keith.
tonight, good.